Qtip have a self-service module to assist the registration of members and property. To access the self-service link, click on Settings, then go to Organization. Then click on the Self-Service tab, and you will see two links. The Member-Only link if you want to capture only the member information. The Member and Property link if you want to capture the member and property information. Let's try the Member-Only link. Copy the link and share it with your community. When you click on the link, it will open a self-service registration form. If you use the Member and Property link, member will need to input their home information. Let's try to register a new member with the home information. When submit, the new member will receive an welcome email, but the member will not be able to log in until it's being verified and approved by the admin. To approve the new member, click on Members on the main menu. And you can see the Allow Login status is NO. Click to view the member info and click on Property to see the assigned property. Then click on Settings to enable the user. Change the Allow App Access to Yes and set the date when billing should start. And finally click on Update. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled a self-registered member.